Hello, Dave from Motorcycle Factors here. Today we're going to do something new for us. We're going to do a product review. It's an endoscope. The cameraman had one, but it's broken, so he thought he'd buy a new one. He bought this one off of Amazon for £38. It's a Zealtron. We're not affiliated with Zealtron or anything. We just purchased it off of Amazon, and so we're going to give it a go. We're going to put it down inside the cylinder of the Virago 535 just to have a look inside it, and let's get it out of the box. So this one is all in one. The one the cameraman had before used to have to Bluetooth it to the phone, and it was a bit more hassle. This does all the things you'd want. It does recording, takes pictures. Looks quite snazzy, doesn't it? Right, it's we've got it all out of the box so you can see. It comes with a bag of little bits. There's a hook, there's meant to be a mirror in there and stuff. Tells you what should be in there. And it doesn't come with a memory card, but the cameraman already has one, so you will have to factor that in when you purchase it. So let's give it a try. Right, so let's switch her on and have a look inside the cylinder of the Virago 535. Wait for it to come on. Now let's just start recording. Hold that button down there. You see the counters come up there. So let's go in. It's looking a little bit dark in there. That's I think that's because it's been run on choke a lot. It's been running rich because of the diaphragm that was. You can see all that darkness is fuel. You can see right at the top of the picture, you can actually see the, where is it? There, you see the line of the piston over there. That looks okay. Obviously it's a little bit bright, this light on there, so you're getting a lot of, but it's great. It's great. We have used one before on petrol tanks when we've before we purchased them, just to have a quick look inside the tank, but that one's broke. I'm going to put it inside the Meteor 350 now. So we're going to slide it inside the old barrel of the... Oh, look at that. Look at those bores. Look. There's hardly anywhere on there, is there? Look at that. Well, it shouldn't. It's only done a couple of thousand miles. Isn't that brilliant? Again, go back in again, so I've bent the cable over a bit so you can see the other side of it. Getting a lot of glare back, but I'll tell you what, the picture's pretty good, really. It costs £38, I believe, off of Amazon. Brilliant, so at least you don't have to strip the engine down. Wow, I think that's pretty good. £38, you can take pictures, you can do recordings, which we couldn't do before on the other one. Easy to use. You've got a really long cable. The end does get hot, I can feel it now, and it hasn't been on that long, but they do tell you that, and you're not going to use it for hours on end anyway, but it's a tool in the workshop. Superb, I think, for the money. Thanks for watching.